the way gentondo chego senayo chakonali bagangi saranse na Fred na abandi which mutu anda bateba kore maybe I can use a forum ya kubatebia. I can still foresee a coalition igete korosiwa with Matiang'i at the apex of it is our candidate. We chamo the way Azimio did. Yeah. Then ba maego tebania togenda bono nomination jointly. Yeah. It doesn't matter which party you belong, lakini bono togenda for example Azimio. Onye koromo kong South Morango na BDP ayetinio monto na injo mbe koyo no Jubilee lakini tuensi etoka nomination under Azimio. Oyo morio ira through background ya ere BDP oyo Jubilee no alingi within that constituency. Lakini oyo BDP obwa bono BDP igakogenda mutwe under the banner ya Azimio for example. So ekabia so kirego Matiang'i will be at bar ama will be at home nga a coalition yeito nebwate candidate asegete lakini baise koira nansenga tikere kiama ke feel libono tumerane I think bana whatever at the end of it all bali bago chukuru kubali Jubilee boka nga Jubilee achetene abantu bali bayanda alibe beyiranane bateba ninga pana oyo igabete favor yake ticket abadali tutige royo tutiche Matiang'i ne team ya election ya Jubilee
example ya samu nyumotaracha example kene chikure cha beta mbere north agaro kurigererio omonto beta number 3 kwa ngocha commentera chikuro mentero yo number 3 mentero no yo number 2 na wo ba ngocha kobwa oyo beta number 1 so you go now from that angle okoranga omuchana batachitu ko igwana ko ngondo chiko bano muchana bochika
yes
na kuboria mheshimiwa as you are coming in nailing aki you know what UDA today brags about, it's all about numbers. They have numbers. Kero, the UDA and ODM party hachite. In fact, I never saw Kenya Kwanza. I saw UDA as a single party and ODM from the Azimio. So meaning that there is power in those numbers. We have talked about Jubilee in Kisii, APDP mbiro, Kenya Social Congress mbiro. But don't you think Matiang'i na way na hata kitatu ware Jubilee as his party, as a single party, are those numbers because nkomwere some bargaining power.
But that is true. Now, what happens? Peter Munyo goja komanda ya change defective cha Jubilee yet he wants to support Matiang'i.
But basically on Gusii, tutura na Gusii ya kwanza.
The same thing will apply. Inga to sacrifice chikura chons chirichigo chikoendeke kabu chia Matiang'i inga asengenjo mingo magara sorry to continue using his party inga asengenjo nera abwate party ogeti omotigerenga tikakabe kiaje kose omokani pi 100% inga tiga support ya Jubilee then you are killing his party una nateba or the best thing they can do no kolosi coalition but eba ninga Kisii Central murevu naro igale Jubilee omogaka the current MP Manyenye nonde nache bonsi baiche under the banner ye coalition ye ya Fred at the top Fred noroje now buna Azimio ya lenge ya waende babeke baroshe constitution inga ekatiba ya barosinga intwe ndobwenshi gochikotenena igagutena kuruase muungano ticket gochikoregwa edebe iyo muungano ya tali gochikoende edebe as an individual ekerogwa mwakodire bindi mwakodire nomination imsa mwakodire mochole na Jubilee mochole na Azimio tote for example Azimio mwachole gochialia the best thing to do ajibono kwebe kiama kilikiao kiama wachera nkilie candidate yeko kwa Fred ne ticket yobwate elikira Azimio tilikire Jubilee tilikire whatever say that your party leader kago kwana kimo bwate chief whip parliament ere Azimio kimo bwate majority leader yino igere Azimio party mayaga lino matenga inje na chete ne kiama yeko ku DP usekano lakini ali parliament ne ticket yeli ya aero ile kiama kilia then from there Matiang'i and the rest will be comfortable nga Matiang'i wanta dio Jubilee remember Uhuru mbajagete Uhuru was in TNA and the URP omali mbajete bakaenda
buna
yes
Jubilee was a coalition
so Uhuru si aliongoza Kenya na Jubilee so it's not a must thing Fred at the end of the day moina mari 2027 irasmaji ko boli chikura na Jubilee. Something else can come up.
In fact, it's a fact ya na inacha ku realize rero mambi kana ngota makwan raisinga the only time Raila Odinga boli chikura ni kia micro podium 2007.
Yeah.
Goja kabori tina kodi akachagua NASA akachagua Azimio.
That is it. So I think baisha ko totegera buna tu akwandriga. I think that's a thought they ought to think about. Ba na take hard position singa epatiana we ke feel dio monto. Onye ko bwanje the Fred. Be ready kosoe coalition di kirananse genda pakengoli ayeruhanira abantu bao beka kere constituency monto minyoko moonie. Sa kere joint nomination yewe chokorwa umonto atu kenale more popular kuburio Jubilee uyo anyole ticket yerie at the end of it karo Fred yagoche campaign yororo tari ku campaign liori obweto Jubilee igago campaign lia uri bwa Azimio
na umske ndo chingo